Harrington. Nawr yn gwynebu gol, Melo. Trio troi. Melo. Yn twyllo. Ac yn mynd am yr ergyd. A honna yw'r gorau hyd yn hyn. Zabret yn ymestyn amdani, oedd hi'n mynd mas. Harrington yn galw am y bil. Nawr y llinell tuag at Franklin mae'n mynd. Aaron Edwards, mae hwnna drwy goesau fe. Franklin. A mynd heibio i Morris hefyd. Franklin yn cael ei fewn i cwrt. Franklin. Mae'n adlamu. Ben Wyn yna. A Thorn. Does o ddim gam sefyll. O, mae'r llimanwr wedi codi yn hwyr. Oedd Aberystwyth yn dathlu fyna. Ond mi oedd yna gam sefyll cyn i'r bêl daro cefn y rhwyd. Pŵl. Pŵl o'r croesiad. Y flic yna. Mond yn mynd mor bell o Ffwa. Ffwa sy'n ergydio. A Zabret. Methu a'i dalu Curran. Yn rhoi Cei Connah ar y blaen. Os yw unrhyw un o'r tîm yma yn mynd i orffen yn y seithfed safle ar ddiwedd y pnawn, mae rhaid nhw gyntaf ennill heddi a Cei Connah sy'n cymryd y blaen. Matthew Jones yn llwyddo i lledu hwnna mas at Ben Wyn. Pawnol, yr eilydd sy'n o'r flaen e. Wyn. Parhau i fynd i'r gornel yn tynnu nôl. A Cameron Allen! A gŵr ifanc! Yn sgorio, union i sgori Aberystwyth wedi sgorio 33 o weithiau i tîm ieuenctid Aberystwyth ar hwnna yw'r cynta i'r tîm cynta. A nefel chi dad Gavin Allen cyn reolwr, cyn seren Aberystwyth. Cameron Allen yw'r seren dro hyn.
That was the last game of the season. How do you look back and assess the season gone?
Roller coaster, the emotions. We've loved every moment of it. You know, I think there are still times where you think we could have done better. You know, there's times where you think you deserve a little bit more. But from a personal point of view, we've loved every moment of it. I think we've enjoyed the pressure as well. Obviously, in the bottom six there as well. Since the pressure hit us, that they started labelling us as favourites to go down, and the boys have taken it upon themselves to prove people wrong, and that's exactly what we've done.
Craig, last game of the season, 1-1. Happy with a point?
No, not at all, really. Wanted to win the game, and I thought obviously we went 1-0 up, and I think we were in control of the game, really from the first whistle to the last. They've had a good counter attack. It's a great cross in. It's a good header. But apart from that, I can't really remember having a great opportunity. Maybe from our own doing in the first half of the crossfield pass that's got intercepted. And then we recovered a tackle from Franklin, but apart from that, we missed 3 or 4 good opportunities. So a little bit disappointed, but I think you can't. That's going to happen with the group we've got in the type of person I am. I want to win every game, and I thought we should have won the game. But the effort in the what the lads have achieved over the last 10-12 games, with the 18 points deduction, where we were. So it's they've done fantastic. So I can't be too disappointed.
Cameron, first goal for the senior side. How did that feel?
Oh, it's crazy. It's such a moment. Been training for this like my whole life, and just to get it finally, last game of the season, was crazy.
Seeing as who your dad is and his connections with the club, do you feel pressure to perform?
There is a bit of pressure. Everyone knows like the Allens around Aber, but I quite enjoy that because you prove people wrong. So yeah, I like it.